we have an inverted conical tank. It is leaking at 2,000 cubic centimetres a minute. So let's just draw it. I'm going to have to leave this behind because I don't have much room. There's my tank. It's leaking. So it's leaking at 2,000 cubic centimetres a minute. We've also got water going in at the same time, an unknown. So X is going in. The tank height, 500, and the diameter is 400. Let's face it, we don't never care about the diameter. So there's my radius. The water level, so there's my water level. So I've got a radius and a height with my water. So let's just call that dH dt is 20 on pi, and that's happening when the height of the water is 50 centimetres. So that's when h is 50. Clearly, this x going in and this water coming out is changing the volume. So we have a dV dt is x is going out and x is going in and 2,000's coming out. Let's just see if we can find a relationship. dV d, it's got to be a h, doesn't it? And then dH dt. So we have a dH dt, we have a dV dt, so we're missing a dV dH. V equals. So we've got to get rid of this R. We're going to come over here to this diagram and go similar triangles. So height on radius equals height on radius. I want to get rid of R, so R equals 2/5 of H. So that R, V equals, now it's R squared, so it's 4 on 25 H squared H, so that's H cubed dV dH. That's going to be 4 pi H squared. Okay, so there's my dV dH. Yes, you know, this looks nothing like an exam solution because we're stuck with how much room we've got. Okay. dV dH, 4 pi on 25. We've got dH dt at 20 on pi. dV dt, and we know that dH dt happens at h equals 50. So let's make that h 50. Yeah, let's just use a calculator. So the pi's will cancel for 8,000. So the rate that the water's going in is going to be 10,000 cubic centimetres a minute. There you have it. That was fun. You will notice I kept that as a function, sort of. Just consider if this 2,000 wasn't a constant rate, but if it was an actual function itself, depending on h, then you would want to incorporate that into this differential equation. So handy just to keep that all into one. But there's your answer. That was fun.